Yeah, I'm Suganya Ravichandran, national international gold medalist. So I have represented India in Asian meet. This is my childhood dream, which I want to represent India. Eating on time, sleeping on time. And after surgery, within 2 months, I went to Asia. See, if you are there, then only you can work. You to create your happy hormones in your body. It gives me happiness when I run. So 365 days on the track or on the road, something we have to do it.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, namaste.
How are you doing, ma'am?
I'm doing very good and very happy to be here. Yeah, I'm Suganya Ravichandran, national international gold medalist. So I have represented India in Asian meet recently in Chennai. I got 1 gold medal, and I'm going for my World Masters, which is in August 21st in South Korea.
Congratulations, ma'am.
Thank you.
And good luck for the one which you are participating. And thank you so much representing our India. It's a great honor. Could you just help us how your daily routine, ma'am?
Basically, I'm a yoga and fitness trainer. Last 15 years, I'm into this. This is my childhood dream, which I want to represent India. So that is how it started my journey. I am 45 plus now. So in 43, I have started my athletic. I'm a sprinter basically. I do 100 meters, 200 meters long jump, and 100 relay and 400 relay. I participate 5 events.
Wow.
So I'm happy to be, representing India because as in school days when I was in 6th grade, I was like thinking that we should do it, but that time it is not possible. But now, even 45, because of my willpower and I want to do it and I'm doing it now. So it is not so tough for everyone. So what I want to say is everybody can do it. As a master athletics 30 and above, till 100 years, everybody can participate. Only thing is you should be disciplined, eating on time, sleeping on time, and at least 30 to 45 minutes to 1 hour, you can spend it for yourself to take care of your body. That is what I'm doing, and I'm here in front of you today. And I wish each and everyone can participate in Masters. And even athletics is there, badminton is there, like everything is there. Masters for everyone. So everybody can just go and enjoy, because I believe sports is happiness. When you want to, come out of your stress, you can just run, is what I believe. Because see, each and everybody says you are 40 and pre-menopause, and again you have this uterus issues and everything I'm also going through. Even recently I have met one minor surgery, and after surgery within 2 months I went to Asia. So I don't want to tell that, okay, I got an opportunity after surgery, I can't go. No, I want to just try. But after trying, I got 1 gold medal. That is a different story.
Congratulations.
So everything is like your mindset. For working people, as I know, this is very tough for them, because they say they sleep late, again they have to get up and they have to do. See, if you are there, then only you can work. So 365 days on the track or on the road, something we have to do it to stay fit. That's it.
Thank you so much and have a wonderful day, ma'am.